Hi to everyone, my name is Chiara. I come from Italy, and yes, I know that Tajikistan as a country exists.
Hello, my name is Gene, I'm from Lebanon, and I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hello guys, I'm Louis from Hong Kong and I know Tajikistan exists.
Hello, I am Arafat from Bangladesh and I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hello, my name is Muhammad. I am from Sudan and I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hello, my name is Vươn. I am from Cambodia and I know Tajikistan exists.
Hello, my name is Cesar and I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hi, my name is Wawa, I'm from Malaysia and I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hello, my name is Susan Mafumo. I am from Zimbabwe and I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hello guys, my name is Sharif and I am from Afghanistan and I know that Tajikistan exists.
Hello, my name is Zhuang and I am from Timor-Leste. I know that Tajikistan exists.